Imagine turning a modest investment into generational wealth as overlooked altcoins shatter their all-time highs in early 2026. Welcome to Generational Wealth, your pathway from knowledge to legacy. Today, we're zeroing in on altcoins primed for explosive growth this year, spotlighting standouts like Humanity Protocol, Zcash, Axelar, and Bitlayer. These aren't just random picks. They're backed by cutting-edge innovations, surging adoption, and market dynamics that could propel them to new peaks. Let's break it down, starting with why the broader altcoin landscape is heating up. With institutional capital flooding into crypto and regulatory clarity on the horizon, projects solving real-world problems in privacy, identity, and interoperability are positioned to lead the charge. First up, Humanity Protocol. This blockchain-based identity solution uses palm scan verification to prove humanity without compromising privacy, tackling issues like AI deepfakes and Sybil attacks in decentralized systems. Right now, its token trades around 16 cents, down from an all-time high of 39 cents last October. But with Phase 2 upgrades enabling full palm scan integration and a shift to decentralized governance, handing control to token holders, adoption could skyrocket. Analysts see strong potential here, driven by the growing need for proof-of-personhood and AI-integrated ecosystems. If major partnerships materialize and macro conditions favor risk assets, Humanity Protocol could surge past its previous peak, potentially reaching 70 cents to $1 by mid-year, marking a transformative leap for digital identity. Next, Zcash, the OG privacy coin that's been quietly building momentum, trading at about $370 today. It's a far cry from its staggering all-time high of $5,942 back in 2016. What sets Zcash apart is its optional privacy feature, allowing transparent or shielded transactions, which makes it more regulator-friendly than fully anonymous rivals. Recent catalysts include a halving event slashing rewards, upgrades boosting shielded supply to 30%, and big-name endorsements like Arthur Hayes calling for a $10,000 target. As governments ramp up financial surveillance, demand for privacy-preserving tech is exploding. Institutional inflows, through vehicles like Grayscale's Zcash Trust, now at $137 million, add fuel. If these trends hold, Zcash could climb to $750 to $1,000 by mid-2026, re-establishing itself as a privacy powerhouse. Shifting gears to Axelar, the cross-chain interoperability hub connecting over 60 blockchains. Its token sits at roughly 10 cents, well below the all-time high of $2.66 from 2024. Axelar's strength lies in seamless asset transfers and smart contract calls across ecosystems, powering integrations like the XRP LEVM sidechain and partnerships with Hedera and SushiSwap. Looking ahead, the 2026 roadmap emphasizes co-staking blue-chip assets to boost economic security, plus enhancements for privacy and compliance to attract institutions. With the Clarity Act potentially passing and driving more cross-chain activity, Axelar could see transaction volumes soar, pushing its price toward $1.50 or higher. Finally, Bitlayer, a Bitcoin Layer 2 solution bringing smart contracts and scalability to the world's largest crypto. Currently priced at about 14 cents, it's off its peak of 21 cents from last August. By leveraging Bitcoin's security while enabling DeFi and NFTs, Bitlayer taps into Bitcoin's massive liquidity. Recent ecosystem growth, with trading volumes hitting $90 million in a day, signals rising utility. As Bitcoin potentially hits new highs in 2026, driven by ETF inflows and reserves, Bitlayer could benefit from spillover, aiming for 50 cents or more if adoption accelerates. Wrapping this up, these altcoins represent diverse narratives: identity, privacy, connectivity, and Bitcoin expansion that align with 2026's trends. While the market's volatile, their fundamentals suggest serious upside potential. Remember, position sizing and risk management are key. Subscribe for daily recaps. Drop a comment on your biggest takeaway, and turn on notifications. We do a crypto news video every morning and a deep dive every afternoon. Let us know in the comments any subjects you'd like us to cover. Quick disclaimer: I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only and not financial or investment advice. Crypto is volatile. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your own research.